You don't need any green food coloring to make this pandan milk or pandan oat milk latte. I'm doing this in honor of St. Patrick's Day and the Irish, and I'm getting this lovely green color from Pandan extract. It's naturally sourced and gives this vibrant green color with a mild flavor that can be used in either sweet or savory dishes. Now you can use whatever milk you want. My kids prefer drinking soy milk, and I also don't give them dairy, so that's what we're using here. The pandan flavor comes through nicely in this milk along with the lovely green color. And then I'm just going to store this in the fridge for after school. Now for myself and my husband, I'm going to be making an oat milk latte, still using that pandan extract, but this one using oat milk and a little bit of maple syrup to sweeten things up. I only have an espresso, so I'm using that to pour over the coffee. Now the pandan flavor is not going to come out that strongly in your drink. However, it does give this beautiful layering effect of green, chocolatey brown, and then the foam of light green on top. So makes for a very beautiful drink. Happy St. Patrick's Day to my friends that are celebrating. Don't forget to wear your green colors and Jom Minom.